All right, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at this problem. This is what they refer to as a compound inequality. You notice that we have three parts to it. We have a left-hand side, we have a middle portion, and we have a right-hand side. But this idea that we have with equations of balancing is still going to come into play with this compound inequality. So what I would do is, remember, we're trying to get the variable by itself, but actually in this case, in the middle here, this p, we want to have it by itself appearing in the middle between these arrows. So right now in the middle I have two terms. This term with 3 is not of interest. I want to get this p by itself, so I'm going to subtract 3. So if I subtract 3 here, in order to keep these arrows pointing in the same direction, this left-hand side, that's the smallest number. Okay, if I just come in the middle and make this number smaller, I could affect that comparison. So to keep the comparison the same, if I subtract 3 in the middle, I need to subtract 3 on the left, and I need to also subtract 3 on the right. All right, now this positive 3 and negative 3 cancel each other out. Positive 3 and negative 3 cancel each other out. And what do we have? Well, on the left-hand side, we have a 0. And that's being less than, well, we have our 9p. And that's being less than 30 minus 3 is 27. So we almost have the p by itself. We managed to get rid of this term of 3. So now to get rid of the 9, we need to divide by 9. Now, when I divide by a positive number, I don't have to worry about flipping the direction of this inequality. But I do, if I divide the middle by 9, I have to make sure that I divide the smallest number and the largest number by 9 to keep that comparison the same. Well, 0 divided by 9 is just 0. And 9 divided by 9 is just 1. So we say that these cancel. And here we have 27 divided by 9, and that's 3. So we see that answer up here in choice A. Now sometimes in a multiple choice, you'll have this answer like this. See, this is saying 0 is smaller than p, and p is smaller than 3. It's logically equivalent to say 3 is bigger than p, and that p is bigger than 0. You know, be aware that you can rewrite this and logically it be the same. The idea would be that Mitten is taller than me, or that I am shorter than Mitten. That's kind of the idea here. All right, talk to you later. Bye.